by Mommy's car. There? You take picture there?
Okay.
Okay. Hello. Ang cute ng dalawa. Oh, nagka-smile. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Jessica, Jenny, do you think Mommy is pregnant?
Yeah, because
Jessica, Jenny, 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 Jennifer, do you think Mommy pregnant? Yeah?
You said pregnancy test don't lie.
Yeah?
So why are you asking me that question? Why are you asking this? Oh, question.
Mag-pregnancy test pa man si Mommy. A day in my life as a gold digger na yun na river for today video day! Day today video day, magseryoso muna inyong Inday Elgin day dahil today is very excited ang inyong Inday Elgin dahil ngayon nga is, kita nyo yung aking tiyan day. Walang dumating sa akin dahil nagsabi ako sa inyo na mag-pregnancy test na ako at isusurprise ako yung aking mister dahil makulit naman yun sa Morrison sa pinipilit talaga ako mag-pregnancy test na hindi pa man ako delayed noon that time. Oh, pinipilit na talaga ako mag-pregnancy test. So ngayon is delayed na talaga ako. Tanong siya sa akin kung mayroon na ba daw talaga akong ganito ganyan. So prenak ko siya ay sabi ko na, "Honey, ang lakas-lakas nang sa akin pero wala gud delayed na ako. Tapos meron akong cramps. Inaantok inyong Inday, naglalaway, parang naging wakwak na." Ganun yung story ng aking buhay. Palagi ako naglilikramo doon sa aking vlog doon sa YouTube. So parang naging wakwak inyong Inday day. Murag naglaway-laway. Tapos hindi ako makatulog at night. Pag morning always tulog ang inyong Inday na palaging naunsa naman ko palagi akong gikapoy. Na yung mister ko ng pregnancy test. So gagamitin ko na yun ngayon. At ang mister ko is lumakad kay na ano siya, naiyak siya. Pag sabi ko sa kanya na wala akong baby. Hindi pa ako dinatnan ba. Tapos yung aking tiyan day, aking tiyan. At sobrang excited ako sa magiging reaction niya at sa magiging reaction ko kasi nanginginig ako sa sobrang excitement day na kung ano man yung magiging result ng ating kiatan dito sa ating banakonday tatanggapin natin lahat ng result. Pero this one talaga is ito yung aming pinaka first na bata na plinano talaga namin na dito talaga dapat matututug. Plinano talaga namin dahil yun nga gusto nga ng aking asawa, di ba, na badami na akong istorya dito dahil gusto ko na matapos ito para makita na natin yung ating reaction and everything to make the long story short. So itong dalawa kong mga anak hindi namin to sila plinano dahil dumating lang ito sila unexpectedly. Kaya ito silang dalawa, puro mga babae. Si Jessica is na anak sa Thailand, si Jenny na anak dito. At kung buntis man ako dahil, let's pray for the best. Kung ano man yung magiging result, I hope na healthy lang tayo dahil. At saka kunin natin ng reaction din yung aking asawa. Mag-pregnancy test na taday! Ready na bang lahat sa result taday? Okay day. Kaya kaning pagkiat ng inyong Inday. Wanag yun, di ba nag-post ako dito na sabi ko, ready na ba ang lahat sa magiging result? Kaya nakita nyo yung aking dito ba? There's a heartbeat. There's a heartbeat talaga. So mag-pregnancy test na tayo to find out everything. Ansyobalo. Okay! Nanginginig ako kay surprise ko yung aking mister sa aking pregnancy test. Nakabahan ako kay nandito na yung test. Tatawagin ko lang si mister. Kaya iset ko yung aking isang camera. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko tinignan. Nag-ihi lang ako ng saglit. Pero sabi nila early in the morning daw dapat gagawin Hindi naman early in the morning dahil nga kanina nag-ihi na ako kanina. And I don't know. Honey, come here, sa. I want you to check something. Honey, come. I want you to check something. I did a test.
A test?
I'm shaking. I'm shaking though.
You said,
No, I was kidding with you. I'm kidding with you.
Who's you?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know.
Maybe it's too
How long
early.
you gotta wait?
I don't know, but I know that I'm delayed. Shall we look?
I'm scared.
1, 2. It's positive.
Yeah, it's alright.
It's positive.
Yeah. Can you show me? Is this a prank?
There's two lines. I'm pregnant, honey.
Oh my gosh.
Honey, we're having a baby.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by 9.
guys! Buntis ako guys! We're having another baby na. Sorry po,
It's two.
yeah, pregnant. Okay. Nausa ka day, ba't ka umiyak na? Yan siya guys. Huh? We have another baby now. You will be a big sister. You will be a big sister. Huh? You big sister. Are you happy? Yeah? We have a baby in the belly. Yes. Nala si Inday nag-touch sa aking belly. You have a baby here. Yes. We have another baby coming. Come on, JJ too. Come here. Okay, Mr. Umiyak. Huh?
It's two.
Yeah. Like, I'm just crying. Oh, they are pregnant. Guys, I'm pregnant. Okay. Nausa ka, Day. Ba't ka umiyak, Day? Oh, ayan yung result na. We have another baby now. You will be a big sister. Look, how many lines? How many lines?
Yeah.
2? We have another baby. Jenny?
I want to have baby boy. I need to have baby girl.
Oh, really? Yeah?
You told me and everything, and it's all well and all that, and now you just done that on me. So I'm a bit...
I was kidding with you.
Which I didn't... You should ask some kid about that. I know I'm in a bit of shock.
Because I want you to be shocked.
Just like instant flip.
Because I want you to be
I
shocked.
am shocked.
Jenny, what can you say? We have another baby.
What? But how are you going to go more since...
About that, JJ? Huh?
One boy or girl?
What can you say? We have another baby. Huh?
Is it going to be
Look, there's 2
Wayne and
lines.
his 3 girls, or is
See?
it going to be Wayne and his 2 girls and his boy?
I want the boy.
You will not be our little baby now. You would boy?
Yeah.
You're not our baby now. Huh? You will be our middle child. What can you say about that, Jenny? Are you happy? Yeah? Oh, I can't believe it, honey. But I already have a feeling, but I was kidding with you.
Your tongue was going, that's why I was a bit confused this morning. It makes sense. All the signs was there.
All the signs.
The signs was there and it don't make sense.
I just want you to be shocked.
And I'm like, now I'm like, I had all that thinking and walking there and thinking about my life, and now it's just totally been
Because you were upset in the morning,
a
right?
bit, yeah, but I didn't want to show it. I was like trying to walk it off. Like, you know? So, I'm thinking
When you're walking there, you're
I'm thinking I'd
upset.
like to have my little boy before I'm too old, you know?
Yeah?
No, not yet.
Oh my gosh, made me cry. Huwag ng barakon, day! What na yun, ha? What?
In 2 seconds, you just flipped my brain.
Why? What did I say to you,
You
Di?
said that the ladies' days was here.
And you expected that I have ladies' days?
Yeah.
Mm.
And all of a sudden, honey came to come downstairs a minute. And I just... Ba-dang!
Shock daw si Dudong nyo, Day. Yes! Wa na yun, Day. Nagresulta na talaga, Day. Tignan nyo, Day. Hilak pa mo sa inday ninyo. Hala, uy, hindi ako makapaniwala, guys. Pregnant tayo. At least we have a new journey. Susubaybayan ninyo dito sa aming Facebook at saka dun sa aming YouTube. Dalawa yung ating source ng source ng income. Dalawa yung ating source ng pag-update sa ating life. And I hope na we will be okay. Till. Honey, my face. Ating ko. Ay, akala ko kasi, ganito kasi yung story. Akala ko wala kay dahil nga sometimes stress ako ba sa aking life at madami akong ginagawa, sobrang busy ko dito sa Facebook, dito sa YouTube, sobrang busy ko talaga. So naghuhope pa din ako na mayroon kasi yun nga siya is this one is you don't take this one out because that one
that's what you... What are you supposed to hold? That side?
Huh? Yeah, this side.
Oh, I held that side.
Na! Take picture unta ko na, Day! Wala yun, Day! Ang banakon, Day! Na-pregnant talaga ako ng aking banakon. Power talaga itong banakon ko, Day. Kahit sinasabihan ako ng iba na matanda na itong banakon ko, Day. Power yun talaga. Dumidikit pa din. Meron na kaming upcoming baby. We have a new journey. So, tatlo na yung ating bata. Si Jessica at si Jenny. At meron tayong another baby na aantayin. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung gender na ito. I think in 3 months time.
Yeah.
So, I'm calling my GP for my pregnancy, not for my mental illness. Buntis ang inyong inda. Alam nyo kung hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. Buntis. Honey, shall I call my family?
Yeah.
I should record the reaction, no?
Yeah.
My family. What's the time now? Later? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 o'clock there now.
Good time to do it.
Yeah. Huy, abangan nyo yung ating mga iba pang vlog dahil meron pa itong mga karugtong at yes, ayun na po. Jessica, I can't believe you'll be a big sis of 2. Let's call Mamila at katatawagan ko yung aking family at titignan natin yung kanilang mga reaction dahil alam ko na masashock din yun sila at hala, oy.
Okay.
2 lines. Honey. Come look. Look how many lines. How many lines? 2? We have another baby. Jenny?
I want to have baby boy. You have baby girl.
Oh, really? Look, honey.
Mine's been days because I was walking over the bridge this morning and having a think about things.
Yeah.
That you told me and everything, and you're so well and all that. Now you just don't know me. So I'm a bit.
I was kidding with you.
I didn't. I shouldn't kid about that. Now I'm in a shock.
I want you to be shocked.
Just like instant flip.
Because I want you to be
I
shocked.
am shocked.
Jenny, what can you say? We have another baby.
What? But how are you going to go lessons now? How are you going to go lessons now?
Yeah. What can you say about that, JJ? Huh?
Oh, boy or girl?
What can you say? We have another baby. Huh?
Is it going to be
Look, there's 2
Wayne and
lines.
his 3 girls? Or is it going to be Wayne and his 2 girls?
You will not be our little baby
It's
now.
not a little soldier.
I'm
Is it a little soldier?
Good boy. You're not our baby now. Huh? You will be our middle child. What can you say about that, Jenny? Are you happy? Yeah? Oh, I can't believe it, honey. But I already have a feeling, but I was
I knew
thinking.
because when he was here, his tongue was going. That's why I was confused this morning walking along. It doesn't make sense. No signs were there. Signs were there. It doesn't make sense.
I just want you to be shocked.
I'm like, now I'm like, I had all that thinking and walking there and thinking about my life, and now I was just looking
Because
at
you were upset in the morning,
a
right?
bit, and I didn't want to show you. I was like trying to rip it off.
When you're walking there, you're upset.
like my little boy before I'm too old, you know?
Yeah? Oh my god, made me cry. Pregnant si Inday ninyo, Day. Mag-drive muna inyong buros, Day. Ano lang namin, kakatapos ko lang sabihan yung aking family, and I think mapapanood ninyo ang kanilang mga reactions and all the cousins in the Philippines sa next na vlog ni Inday Iljen dahil nag-vlog ako at ayun, happy ang lahat. Ang reaction, mom's reaction, Irene. My mom is like, alis muna kami, Day. Alis muna kami kay ano muna kami. Hindi ako makapaniwala until now na buntis na naman ang inyong Inday. Am I okay that side? Are you sure that the baby can fit there in the middle, honey?
JJ, have a smaller
Oh my gosh, can we go?
No.
But how about the seatbelt?
The seat belt? I don't know if we that thank you. Daddy said the baby can fit. So it happened for a reason why we clean our back room. No. It will be a baby's room. It's like it's like she's telling us already, or he. Oh my gosh. like, clean my room now. I'm coming. So at least nalinisan na namin yung back room at saka meron ng room na ready sa ating bata na hindi pa naman natin alam kung ano ang gender at saka kasi very early pa, and I hope na healthy lang ang lahat sa amin, no. Sobrang happy ni Dudong dahil kanina nga, di ba, in-explain ko sa inyo, prenang ko siya na meron akong ladies days.
She uses it when she's away from home, the Wi-Fi, and they
Daddy,
don't.
why is mine working
What?
then?
Why does JJ's iPad work when she's away from the Wi-Fi?
I don't know. I took my lashes off. It's full of tears.
Daddy, look,
Yeah.
why is mine working?
I know. I don't understand that, JJ. It works.
Mine now don't work.
I know. Why does JJ's? What's it connected to?
I think it's connected to mine.
Is it?
It's not.
No?
It's working.
It's strange when you just have a big news, no?
Yeah, I'm
Your
walking
mind
over
is-
here. I'm walking. I'm thinking. Oh, just concentrate and do this and this with my girls, and then, huh? Like,
I did prank you when I was saying, and then I see your face a while ago,
and then
and you
boom.
look upset because I was thinking I will take my pregnancy test today,
Oh.
and then I just said to you, honey, my ladies day so strong. Then, oh really? You even messaged me. I thought this was the time. Hindi siya makapaniwala, Day.
Daddy, why is my YouTube working?
La, patay. Naka-short ra ba ako, oy?
It's working though, is it, JJ? I don't know why.
No, it's not working.
Oh,
Actually, it is.
I don't understand why it's working. It shouldn't.
It is.
Where's it getting the signal from?
Ito yung bata namin na ano talaga, this is the baby that we plan, honey, no?
Plan this one to the day.
Yeah, because Jessica and Jenny, they just come unexpectedly
Mm-hmm.
when I was in
Jenny
Thailand.
was like,
And Jenny. But the one in Thailand, I didn't. But you said you did.
I did, yeah.
Siya lang pala yung nagplano kay Inday Jessica Day
I was
doon sa
taking care of
Thailand.
myself and
To make me pregnant?
taking testosterone.
To make me
and-
pregnant?
Yeah. Fertile thing. I can't remember what it was. It's
Para daw
it's to
mabuntis
make me
ako.
more,
Mhm.
to make me more
Healthy.
healthy.
Hindi ko man lang alam yan. Ngayon niya pa sinabi. Na si Jessica pala, siya pala yung nag-ano, gawa ng way.
That's why JJ's so intelligent.
Healthy baby. I just hope that it's healthy, you know, honey.
I know.
It's always been
It's
a
one
worry.
stress to another, innit? But I don't care
Yeah.
about that anymore.
It's always been a worry. Worries?
Ever since it happened
Yeah.
with my brother, I thought, what the hell am I worried about?
9
You
months.
don't know if this is his last day and his next day. It's terrible.
Enjoy life.
Emotional stress, you know. Awful to see that.
Oh no. I just hope that when baby arrive, Justin will go. Huh?
Just so Justin makes a miraculous recovery.
Yeah. Maybe there's still miracle, honey.
Just get stronger, you know. That's all.
Is she a dog walker?
Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it? It's just the all it is. Oh my god, what place to sell ice creams?
Is he selling ice cream there?
She's doing it. See the cars going round it.
But this ice
Oh, she's gonna walk in front of you, yeah?
cream shop.
Ice cream truck is selling ice creams.
I think your corner one's empty, isn't it?
Mhm.
Oh, it's full, huh? I bet half of these haven't got
It's a bit busy today.
because it closes in a few hours. Oh, somebody there. Closes in a few hours. We'll have that one there, is it? We'll have this one. We park here so we can open the doors nice and wide, and I bet you somebody squeezes in next to us. They did last
Yeah.
time. Already parking, babe.
Dito na tayo. Buntis ang inyong inday badiday-day.
Yeah, JJ will have to have one of those other seats.
Hindi ako magpa-check up sa aking mental illness. Sa dami-daming nagsabi sa akin na tawagan ko daw yung aking GP kay something wrong with me. Ngayon, tatawagan ko yung aking GP dahil magpapa-check up kami sa aming baby. soon, hopefully. Healthy lang. And thank you sa inyong mga pa-congratulations, Day. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. It's still mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. Is it mind-blowing, honey?
It's mind-blowing.
And I think i-stop ko na yung aking pagtatan. Siguro, hala, umuulan. Labas muna tayo, Day. Jenny, you're having baby. Are you happy with that? Yeah? How about JJ? You change your mind? Yeah. Girl?
It's right here.
No, girl daw si Jenny, honey.
You can buy that and then you get him on the way back. I also think you've taken it from the store because they got squishmallows in there.
Yeah?
They don't get the pancake.
I know they don't, but I don't know. It's up to you. I don't want security bothering me. I'll just.
They won't because there's no tag, honey.
Come on.
Tara na.
Mommy, if you don't say the name, that means it's not.
Yeah. You're not the bunso. What is bunso? Youngest. Jenny is not the youngest anymore. Because mommy have a baby in the belly.
Mommy, if it don't say license, that means it's not from there.
Yes. Are you happy you have a baby? Coming? Yeah? Jennifer! Heyo! You know what? I'm curious now. What will Jenny will do with the baby? What she do with the baby?
She will go to
Are you gonna take care of the baby? Yeah? Careful! Soon you will be... Gusto nila ng manok, Day, ang mga bata. Yeah. You very lucky, anak. There. Nanalo kami, Day.
So I got 10.
Yes. Mm.
Yummy.
That's the long number there. Sabi niya sa kanyang daddy is number 40. You're so lucky, anak. You win a lot of money there. Sabi niya sa kanyang daddy, Daddy, I want number 14. Tapos yung pag-scratch namin, lahat ay...
I got money.
Yes.
That's our first time.
First time we win for a very long time. Maybe we're lucky now because mommy's pregnant. No. Hala, baka manalo tayo ng luto, Day. Si Jenny nagsama-sama sa kanyang daddy. Oy, andito yung aming grocery, oh. Yes?
My number is a good.
Yes. So good number. The number. Yay! Nanalo ang mga bata.
Well done, JJ.
Nanalo sila, Inday.
Put it in
There
the
it is,
box,
Jenny.
put
Put
it
in
in the
the
box
box later.
Put it in the box, yeah?
Is that the first time she selected the number?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You should listen to JJ
Yeah, no,
next
we
time.
did next time. Oh, 20 times.
50,000. Sorry.
Money.
We're going home. Ang saya-saya niya. Meron na siyang pang savings, ha? Yes, you will put one later as well when we're in the house, okay? Yeah?
So you can listen to me.
Yeah. Okay, look at there. There's a car.
Mom, you can listen to me when it's the card.
Yeah.
Yay. Daddy.
She's so lucky. She said number 14.
Go in your savings box. The baby box.
Kaninang umaga, maaga ako nagising, pag-publish ko ng vlog, at saka, ang nangyari nito is nakabasa ako ng sad news. Yes?
You know, I just saw Jenny's panty. There's poop inside.
Hoy, isa naman na.
Yeah, Jenny's panty
Go
got...
put it there, ka, somewhere, ka.
No, because there's poop.
Okay lang ba?
Nice thing! I don't want it beyond
Okay, mommy will do it later. Oh, wala akong gana mag-makeup. At kanina nga umaga, maaga ako nagising mga 5 o'clock. Nag-publish, di ba ako ng vlog every 5 o'clock. So, ang pinablish ko is itong napanood ninyo na yung first na how we find out I'm pregnant, ganito, ganyan. Tapos nag-iyakan kami ni Mister, nag-hug kami ni Mister. Alam ko na marami na kayong nakakita ng vlog na ito dahil medyo ilang oras na ba ata yun nakapublish. Unya, pagkatapos kay nakabasa mo na ako na bad news na comment na ang sabi is pag super early pa daw yung pregnancy, yung niece ata ni mom, oo, nag-announce daw doon sa niece. If I'm not mistaken ha, yung nabasa ko kasi saba ba ng TV ni Wayne. So pagbasa ko ng comment, Day, without knowing everything, hindi ko alam na natakot talaga ako sa aking nabasa. Dinilit ko itong video. Primero, prinaibit ko. Tapos maya-maya, dinilit ko ang video. Alam ko, nakita nyo na tong video na ito. Tapos yun ang nangyari kasi natakot ako, Day. Pagbasa ko ba ng comment na yung ano nga daw, super early pa ang pregnancy, di ba? Meron tayong mga superstitious belief na pag super early pa yung pregnancy is Wag daw muna daw i-announce kasi daw baka daw makunan, ganun. Hindi daw natin alam kung ano yung nangyayari sa baby dito sa sinapupunan. Naisip ko kay Jessica at kay Jenny, nung time na delayed na ako is nag-pregnancy test na ako at positive na, nalaman na ng iba, ganun ba? So, parang kampante lang ako magsabi-sabi na, okay lang ito kay Jessica at kay Jenny. Sinabi ko man diretso-diretso dito sa vlog yun. Hala kanina kay parang na ako nabuang day. Early in the morning, pagbasa ko sa comment is, natakot ako. So yun, deleted itong video na to, yung sa first video na yan na sobrang happy namin. Alam ko makikita nyo happy-happy namin dyan. Tapos itong karugtong is, takot ako ba? Takot ako day.
My hand, the slip of the handle is because my hand is wet.
Yeah. Okay. Yung video na ito is pag-publish ko, ready na siya. So that morning, nakikita nyo na yung video na ito. Tapos, ngayon ko ito pinablish. So itong kadugtong is another day na ito siya, day. Another day ng ganap. Hago, natakot man ako day kay sinabi ni ma'am pagkatapos na nila mag-announce ng pregnancy doon sa Facebook, nakunan daw kuno yung kanyang, basta nakunan daw ang buntis after the pregnancy announcement, ganun ha, after nila malaman na buntis na. Tapos nag-announcement sila, nag-post sa Facebook at sinabihan pa nga daw na wag mo na mag-post kasi sobrang early pa, sobrang aga pa ng pregnancy. Yung bawo is dirty, anak. So, ganun ang nangyari. Ako, takot naman ako kaninang umaga. Nung di ba mayroon akong mga absent, yes?
You can wash it when it's sunny.
Yeah, I will wash it. Di ba mayroon akong mga absent? Kasi ang nangyari nito, pagka nalaman ko nung pregnancy na pregnant ako, wala ako sa mood mag-edit, dahil. So, yung aking pregnancy announcement na kami ng mga bata, ganun. Kami lang yun. Tapos yung karugtong na nag-pregnancy test na nga kami, ganito, ganyan. Hindi ko pa na-edit. So, ang nangyari, kanina ko yun siya na-publish. At ngayon itong karugtong, ngayon ko din yun. Kanina umaga ko din nabasa yung comment doon sa video na iyon. Kaya sabi ko, bahala, i-delete ko na lang tong video. Sabi ni mama, bakit ko daw dinilit yung video? Sayang daw yung video. Meron akong reason. Sabi ko kay si mama nagtambag sa akin na sayang daw yung video. Ako talaga ako sa aking reason din. Tapos I have meron akong madaming sinabi din kay mama ba na si mama lang din ang may alam. Pero one thing din nun is natakot talaga ako. Sinabi ni ma'am na nakunan nga daw pagkatapos daw mag-pregnancy announcement, pagkatapos nalaman na buntis na dahil sobrang aga pa daw. Yung mga beliefs na ganyan ba? Actually, before ako nag-publish nito is nagsabi na sa akin, sabi ni Ani, Marie, hindi ka ba naniniwala sa kanang, kasi nung pagkasabi ko sa kanya, kay di ba kami, nag-video call kami ni Ani, tapos pag-video call namin ni Ani, sabi niya, Marie, hindi ka ba natatakot? Nag-message siya sa akin, Marie, hindi ka ba naniniwala? Yung paniniwala daw nga before 3 months, di daw mo nasabihin na buntis, kasi ako maaga pa talaga yung aking pregnancy. Sabi ko, okay lang naman Marie, kasi kay Jessica at Jenny, ganun man yung ginawa ko. Pero kanina day, sobrang umaga day, 5 o'clock. Pagbasa ko sa comment, mura kong nabuang nga. Hala no, nahadlok talaga ako. Sa kuan ni ma'am, nahadlok talaga ako sa kanyang, sinabi. Kasi naisip ko, baka mangyari din sa akin yung ganyan. Sa baag sa TV, pasensyahan yun na ng TV ha. Oy, the TV sulad, oy!
When you start put the volume down.
Yeah, okay, put it down. So, ayun po yung nangyari. Kaya, natakot ako.
It's quiet
So
now.
sad na kanang ganyan bitaw yung mangyayari.
Mommy,
Yes?
and Daddy didn't put it down. It just went quiet by itself.
Okay. Jenny, be careful din. Kakasad yung pangyayari sa iba na couple, na nararanasan yung ganyan. And I prayed talaga din na I hope hindi lang yung mangyari sa akin bitaw. Kay naisip ko sa akin ba na ngayon. Kay Jessica at Jenny, hindi ko yun naisip. Kay dati sa Thailand, pinagsabihan din ako, wag mo na magsabi-sabi. Pero nung may nakalaman kasi na isa, na-spread out na siya dahil marami kayong marites doon sa aking katrabaho, mga mari. So, nakalat sa buong trabahoan. Ganun. Pero okay naman si Jessica, no? Kapit lang din naman siya. Kahit ang dami-dami kong ginagawa noon, nagtuturo ako, sobrang hago ng katawan ko. Grabe ang aking trabaho ba. Kapit lang man din siya. Kay Jennifer din, okay lang man din si Jenny, no? Pero ngayon ba, parang parang ngayon ko pa na-feel na parang naapektuhan yun ko sa kanang comment ay nga nang, ayun na nga, pagkatapos mag-announcement, malaman na buntis siya. Nakunan daw after ko, hala, niya ako kay naturiring naman ko kaninang umaga at ang pangit-pangit pa lahat ng mga dreams ko dahil ang pangit-pangit lahat ng mga dreams ko kay alam nyo nag-dream ako the first time na nalaman ko na buntis ako na nag-dream ako na ang aking kapatid na babae is may gusto daw pumatay sa kanya, gumagahi talaga yung aking tiyan, akala ko totoo na. Tapos ano ko daw siya sa bus nang unya ko daw tinulungan ko daw yung aking kapatid kasi yung lalaki daw is obsessed sa kanya. Yun mga dream ko, ang dami-dami kong mga dream na ang pangit-pangit tapos gumagahi yung aking tiyan. Tapos naglilikramo ko sa aking asawa na ang panaginip ko ang pangit, akala ko ay makukulong na ako, ganun ba yung mga panaginip ko kay napatay ko daw yung lalaki, ganun. So kanina pagbasa ko, wag yun, ni-epekto yun sa akin. Video, ibabalik ko. I think nagsagot pa nga ako nun kay ma'am before ko dinilit yung video. Sabi ko, ma'am, si Jessica at Jenny okay lang naman sila. Kahit early pa yung pregnancy ko, in-announce ko na okay lang naman sila. Maraming salamat po na ganun pa ako. Pero pag maya-maya nag-epekto sa aking utak din, ay na, ano, bitaw no? Na nabuang nako, gipang ilisan na nako ang mga thumbnail. Mga buntis na Inday Ilje ninyo na turereng. Ayun, deleted itong vlog kanina. Tapos pag nag-publish ako nito, no, na nyo pa makikita din. Alam ko nga, marami na nga kayong nakita nito. Pagpasensyaan nyo na dahil, kaya nabuang yun ang inyong Inday Ilje, lalong-lalo na pag nasa pregnancy stage ako. Ayaw ko na, sinabihan ko nga si mama, ayaw ko ma-depress, ayaw ko ma-stress. Sabi ko kay mama, matulog muna ako kasi sometimes nahihirapan din ako matulog. Ganun yung problema sa akin at night, hindi ako makakatulog. So ngayon, naligo ako kay para hindi ako makatulog ng daytime. Pagkagabi makatulog ako. Ganun po yung nangyayari sa akin. Sobrang sobrang lazy ko. Pero kanina parang tinitry ko talaga yung aking pag-iisip kay parang mas mahirap pa siya sa kuanda. Mas mahirap pa siya sa kanang reglahin. Bitaw ka na, naglupad-lupad ka ng cloud. Pag buntis ka, mas mahirap yung hormone. Oh. Tapos yung mga nami-misunderstand ko itong isa, tapos ang luuran kay ko. Ang dami-dami kong gustong kainin, kung ano-ano lang, mga Jollibee, mga kung ano-ano lang talaga, sinigang, kung ano-ano talaga yung nasa sa isip ko. Pero wala pa naman akong pagduduwal na kung ano-ano. Swerte ako kasi wala pa akong ganun. Yun lang, yung sobrang ma-stress ako, ma-depress pag mayroon akong mabasa na makapag-worry sa akin. Palagi ko siyang iniisip ng masyado na tumatatak sa aking isip ba. Tapos takot na ako. As in, takot na ako sobra. Hindi naman ako ganito kay Jessica. Nung buntis ako kay Jessica, bitaw, no, palaban ako ay. Sobrang strong person ko nung buntis ako kay Jessica. Ay, nagtuturo ako. Ginagawa ko lahat sa eskwelahan, akin lahat. Kahit palagi akong susuka. Tapos pag nakaamoy ako ng onion ba yun? Bawang na yung ginigisa, hala, maano din ako, maduwal ako dun sa classroom, tapos magkain, kahit anong naamoy ko, mabaho, na lami, yun siya magduwal, masuka, palagi ako masuka kay Inday Jessica, tapos sobrang weak ng katawan ko, pero yung mental ko, sobrang strong na, kaya mo to, kasi ako lang mag-isa, yes?
I'm not in the house long anymore.
Yeah?
Because I got 3 more days off and then I go back to school.
Yes, you will go back to school. Mag-back na daw siya sa school. Nag-off kasi to sila sa school. Hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko ba sa inyo nag-off silang Jessica sa school kahit nandito siya sa bahay. Pero kay Jenny, hindi ako masyadong kay Jenny. Nung pag-pregnancy ko nito, hindi ako masyadong nagsusuka. Yung naglalaway lang, tapos medyo yung medyo, basta hindi ko maintindihan. Pero hindi ako nagsuka talaga kay Jenny. Kaya akala namin is lalaki ito si Inday. Ngayon, wala pa naman. Nung kay Jessica, diretso, pagkalaman ko na buntis ako kay Jessica, pagka ilang mga araw, dito yun, palagi ako nagsusuka. Pero yun po, yun ang problema sa akin pagbubuntis ngayon. Pag may babasa ako, maapektuhan ako. Tapos pag maapektuhan ako, parang iniisip ko siya ba? So yun yung sinabi ko kay mama. Kung Sabi ko kay mama, gusto kong mag-rest, gusto kong mag-relax, gusto kong ganit. Kasi naaawa ako sa aking binubuntis na bata. Ano ba yung sinabi ko kay mama? Sabi ni mama sa akin, oo te, mag-on ka lang, mag-relax. I-relax mo yung mind mo. Kung mayroong mga problema, huwag mong isipin mabuti, huwag kang magpa-stress. Yun din yung sinabi ng aking sister na pag mayroon kang mga problema, huwag kang magpa-stress, huwag kang magpa-depress. Huwag mo masyadong isipin yung mga kung problemang maliit. Alam nyo, kunting mga problema, reklamo. Doon ako kay mama at sa aking sister at kay Maring Ani magreklamo. Na, hala, oy, unsa man ni, oy, ganun talaga ako. Open talaga ako sa kanila tatlo. Tapos, doon sa aking isang friend kay Mels, nandito din siya, babuntis din siya. Tawa-tawa lang kami, kay nakaka-relate man kami sa aming mga situation dito. Siya din kasi is nag-aano din siya, meron din siyang na-experience din ba yung friend ko.
Look, he's
Oh,
talking.
mo
That's
to'y
enough
reason
of
na
you.
Hadlo kay ko. Sobrang pagkatakot ko. Parang parang yung comment ni ma'am, inisip ko na ako. Yun ba yung natatak sa aking isip? Inisip ko na yung comment niya na yun nga after pregnancy announcement. Pagkatapos nakunan, inisip ko dahil na ako nag-side effects yun sa aking utok. Nag-side effect talaga sa aking utok. So, diretso private. Iwan ko kung napansin ng iba na na-block pa yung thumbnail noon. Pagkatapos ng block thumbnail, nag-crying na. Tapos pag-crying, private na. Pagka-private na, deleted na. You're not crying, yes, mommy. I'm telling that tita, I was crying and worried. So, yun po. So, kung meron kayong mapansin sa aking channel, intindihin nyo na lang ha, si Inday Elgin is ayaw ko ma-stress for now. Kasi gusto ko yung aking baby bitaw healthy lang dito. Kay kawawa naman kawawa siya yung maapektuhan dito sa ilalim ng aking sinapupunan na. Luoy kay growing pa, ganun ba. Starting pa siya nag-grow, maliit pa, ilang ano pa, and hopefully hindi mangyari sa akin, no? Baka ma-misunderstand na naman ng iba, no? Kay yung iba, hindi ba yan nila tinatapos yung ating vlog, no? Kunya ma-misunderstand din nila yung title, day. Hindi dayon magkuan, magyaw-yaw dayon day, nya ma-misunderstand nila yung title, hindi naman pinanood ng buo. Magreklamo dayon na ano ba tong ano niya, oy, hindi naman tugma sa kuan. Kay panuorin nyo kasi, oy, ng buo. Kayo kasi, kay title lang yung basihan. Tapos, forward, yung iba dyan ba? Alam nyo na, yung mga marites dyan, forward. So, ang ating topic, kung saan yung nakalagay, hindi nila mapapansin. Kung saan, hindi nila makakita. Kung saan yung explanation, yun, day ba? Nya ako yung sisihin nila, day. Kay malayo daw ko noong kanito ganun. Bahala kayo. Basta for now, ayaw ko magpa-stress. O kung may napapansin kayo sa aking channel, intindihin nyo na lang sa mga mababait dito sa aking channel. I hope you understand kung ano yung napapansin ninyo dyan. I hope you understand na ginagawa ko to para sa aking kuan, para sa aking unborn baby day. So, explanation yan ha. Baka ma-misunderstand na naman ng iba. Natakot ako sa comment day. Hindi sa akin nangyari. Hindi sa akin nangyari ha. At, to clarify everything, yun na po yung nangyari to. Naglikay lang ko ba ng stress sa buhay kay nahadlok, natakot ako. So, maraming salamat. Dito na lang ako kay mag-alaga muna ako sa mga bata. Inaantok ako. Kita nyo aking mata na. May eyeshadow lang yan. Pero kati. Sobrang kati. Kita nyo hindi balance yung aking mata. Kasi makati siya yung dalawang mata. Thank you, Day, for watching. I hope you're okay everyday. God bless. And salamat ng marami sa inyong lahat na pag-understand. Congratulations sa akin. God bless. Bye-bye.